How to redeem Robux in Roblox from Microsoft Rewards. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Microsoft Rewards and further tap on the very first link you see there. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, make sure that you are signed in to your Microsoft account, and if not, then go ahead and sign in to your Microsoft account using your login credentials. Once signed in, tap on the rewards option you see there at the top left, and now in the interface that you will be led to, scroll down and navigate to the Roblox option and select the Robux card that you want to redeem. You can select from the provided options. Now, in the next interface that you will be led to, you can also tap on the drop down you see there to change the Robux that you want to redeem. And further, if you have enough points, then you will be eligible to redeem the Robux card. So, if you are eligible to redeem the points, then tap on the redeem option you see there, and with this, your card will be redeemed. So, this is how you can redeem Robux in Roblox from Microsoft Rewards. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.